Today we are going to discuss human respiratory system. Human respiratory system. Human respiratory system consists of external nostrils, pair of external nostrils, then to the internal nostrils that opens to a cavity that is known as the nasal cavity. The nasal cavity opens to nasopharynx. Nasopharynx, then it is the part of pharynx. Pharynx is the common passage for both food and air. Then this nasopharynx that opens to larynx. Larynx is the sound box which helps to produce sound. Then at the tip end of the larynx there is a small opening that is known as the glottis. Then during the time of swallowing the food, this glottis is covered by this cartilaginous flap of connective tissue that is known as the epiglottis, which prevent the entry of food into the larynx. Then following to the larynx there is a windpipe that is known as the trachea. Then in the thoracic cavity, this thoracic chamber, this trachea divided into right and left bronchi. Then it enters into the lungs. In the lungs, it is divided into different branches: primary, secondary, and tertiary bronchiole. At the tip end of the bronchiole, there is small balloon-shaped structure that is known as the alveoli, which is the site of gaseous exchange from the external nostril. From the external nostril to the bronchiole is the conducting part of the respiratory system, and alveoli is the site of gaseous exchange in the respiratory system. Then below the lungs there is a dome-shaped muscle that is known as the diaphragm. The lungs that is surrounded by a membrane that is known as the pleura. It is double layered membrane, outer pleura and inner pleura. In between the outer and inner pleura, there is a space that is known as the pleural space, which is filled with the pleural fluid, which reduces the friction on lung surface. Then this thoracic chamber that is connected ventrally to the sternum and dorsally to the vertebral column, laterally to the ribs, and lower side by the diaphragm. That's about human respiratory system. Thank you.